close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello, guys. Welcome to the live stream. Hi, everyone. I am Universe M, host of the today's live stream session here, guys. Of course, a crypto market analysis session for all of you guys who are joining in, and of course, thanks everyone for joining in my special session on the end of the year Christmas market analysis. Okay, so I hope you will join in the today's live stream session and get some nice and lovely information out of the today's live stream. Okay, so first of all, I will check it out that I am in live or not. Okay, after that I'm gonna continue. So did you get my point of view here, guys? If you have got it, that's great. After that we're gonna proceed. Okay, so just give me a moment of time. I'll just check the one thing, if I am in live or not, then I am gonna proceed as usual. Okay, if it is okay, just let me know. Share your lovely opinions out of the today's live stream. I know, guys, to today's live stream session. Okay, So wait a second, I'll just check it out. After that, I'm gonna proceed as usual. So I hope you will be here with me in this live stream session and of course get some nice insights on this one. Okay, nice. So I will just check one thing and I'm gonna proceed after that. A moment, give me a moment. Yes, I have done with it. So now I just checked it out that I am in live. So let me just deploy the red packets quickly. Okay, guys. Okay, nice. Okay, sorry about that one. Sorry for the disruption. So I have already told you about this is gonna be an market analysis session. All of you guys who are joining in the today's live stream session, I just checked out that I am in live and all the things are good to go. So now I am gonna proceed with as usual. Okay, guys. Okay, nice. And of course, if you are new to the stream, you can also let me know in the comment section. Okay. Okay, nice. So I'll just deploy the red packets quickly. After that, I'm gonna. Yes, I just checked it out that my sound is okay, and yep, I am good to. Hi, brother. How are you? Aziz 78 says, "Hello, dear brother. Thank you for joining out in the stream session." Okay, Seven Khan, good, awesome. Thanks for the confirmation. Good morning to you. You. Good morning, brother. Also, good broadcasting too. That's so lovely, brother Muhengi. Awesome. And thank you for being here. I'll just continue, okay? Because this session is gonna be an very important market analysis session because this is the end of the year Christmas market analysis session. Okay, so I'll just deploy the red packets quick my audiences who are in the stream so that you can also join the fun. Okay, so I have divided today's live stream session in like 5 segment. Okay, so I hope you will be there with throughout all the segments. Okay, and welcome, brother Mohit. Thank you for your lovely comments out there. Okay, really appreciate your comments. Thank you for joining out the stream, brother Muhengi. Really appreciate your support out there in the chat box. You're doing awesome. Okay, so nice. I just checked it out that all the things are good to go. So now I will just continue with all of you guys who are attending the live stream. Okay. If it is good, just let me know by yes or no, sending in the chat box. I'll know about it. Great. So my first, I mean the first segment will be about. Okay, I have already introduced you about the main thing. This is gonna be the end of the year Christmas market analysis session with all of you guys who are attending it. Okay, so my first segment will is gonna be the Bitcoin's performance throughout this Christmas crash, and again Bitcoin is trying to recover from it. Okay, so now let's check it out the Bitcoin's current Bitcoin trends out there. Okay, we're going to discuss about the Bitcoin's price action and the movement out there. Okay, and of course the main thing it is that Bitcoin did fall from below the 95,000 dollars area. That is also a bit concerning out of the some days ago. Okay, but now again Bitcoin again get back to the level that we are all are expecting from it. Okay, okay, nice and lovely. So I will just jump into the Bitcoin's chart so that you can see it out. Okay, nice. So guys, I hope you can do see it out very well. Sometimes it not according to my real work. Thanks for joining in, brother Moheng, for joining in. Really appreciate your support. Okay, and Aziz 76, nice. Thank you. I am totally well today. Thanks for the lovely comment out there, brother Aziz 786. So I hope you all will stay tuned with me in this live stream session and get some nice insights about the market and all the ongoing things out there. Okay, guys? Okay, nice. So now let's see. So first of all, let's check out the current Bitcoin trends out there. So if I just if I just remove this EMA as I want to check out the raw chart out there. So in the daily time frame of the Bitcoins, as you can see, Bitcoin it previously was trading around in this trend line support area. If I just mark it out, sorry if my trend line is not that great. Okay, so this was the previously support trend line for the USDT, okay, in the daily time frame. And Bitcoin was looking really good when it was trading just above the trend line support, okay. And I was also just waiting for it, okay. I was eagerly waiting for the Bitcoin to just break out its all-time high again, okay. But still, because of sudden disruption about the financial market, Bitcoin did fall from here and of course break down this support trend line, okay. So that's a bit of concerning out of these days, okay. Like 4 or 5 days ago, Bitcoin's price was in like if I check it out, that it was in okay, like 19th of December, okay. There, and at that time Bitcoin's price was a bit of concerning, okay. Why I am saying is it was concerning because it just broke down the support trend line out there, okay. So that's why I am saying it was a bit of concerning thing for all of you guys who are trading in the Bitcoin's chart out there, okay. And of course, this live stream session is of course a market analysis session about also the end of the year Christmas analysis. So I hope you will also share your lovely opinions in the live stream session so that I can also know about it, okay. Okay, nice and lovely of you guys for joining in the stream session, okay. And I really like it, okay. Nice. Okay, okay, wait a second, let me just okay, yes, all good, okay, sorry about that one. Nice. Okay, we are gonna talk about brother Manan brother, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna talk about it, no problem. After I have just completed the this session, okay, we're gonna talk about. Okay, I hope you will stay tuned with me. We're gonna definitely talk about all the questions out there, brother Manan. I hope you will be here, and of course, I'm gonna try my best to answer it out all of the questions that you have for me in this live stream session. So first of all, let me just continue with the Bitcoin's current performance in this Christmas session. Okay, and you know, Christmas is all about the holiday session out there, and in the holidays kind of like profit booking session also, you also know about it. Many people are also like to book some profit in the holiday session. So let me just drop out the comment, vote for me and drop UID. There will be exciting rewards, guys. Of course, do vote for me and of course drop out your UID, okay. I'm gonna pick the UIDs who are most active and engaging out there with me. Let me just pin out the comment, okay. After I have pinned the comment, I am gonna be good to go, okay. Yeah. I don't know what suddenly my comment disappeared, but no problem, I'll just drop again. Drop UID and vote for me, please. That will be the today's live stream. Okay, please increase the comments limit. Okay, okay, got it. Okay, got it. Thank you, brother Aziz, for your lovely suggestion out there. Nice. So guys, as you can see, this is the Bitcoin's price in the daily time frame out there. And you can see after Bitcoin broke down in like 19th of December 2024, it and of course December, of course it was the month of December, it did a uh, nice fall from here, okay. But I have been telling you in my live stream session also that there are buyers available in the all the levels, okay. So don't think that after it just broke down from this support trend line, Bitcoin will go to like $80,000 or $65,000 like in one go, okay. So we can't just expect this one, okay. So because why I am saying that we can't just expect this movement, because as you can see, these weeks, okay, these weeks are the levels where the buyers are already available, okay. So first of all, Bitcoin just break down from this support area. If I just mark it out, so okay, wait a second. So if I just mark this level, okay, this was the previously marked level for the Bitcoin's price, and also this was also a good buyer's zone for the Bitcoin. But Bitcoin just couldn't hold out in this zone and did fall out. But still, Bitcoin was in there, okay. It completely hasn't been broken down from this buyer's zone. It did pump from here, but it did quite some fake out by just showing out this weak candle out there, okay, guys. And also there are also another buying zone for the Bitcoin, and this is also a good buying zone for the Bitcoin, okay. So I am expecting, okay, previously I was expecting if Bitcoin couldn't hold out this zone of support in the daily time frame, the next expected zone will be this area. Okay, so basically this is the buyer's zone I have been talking about. And yeah, Bitcoin did hold out this level, the first level of support, and just pump from here. Okay, and this is the first level, this is the second level of buying buyers, and of course this will be the third level of buyers. Okay, then the main and major important level for the buyers. Okay, so these are the three levels, the three key levels for the Bitcoin used in the daily time frame. Okay, if the Bitcoin's price hold it out in this level, it then Bitcoin is good to go for making new ATH. Okay, and if Bitcoin couldn't hold out these three key levels in the support areas that I have been marked here, also the demand zones as you can see, then the next expected movement will be a very devastating move from the Bitcoin. Okay, because if it couldn't hold out these key levels, then the next area of support we can expect will be minimum. Okay, minimum this area. So this area will be the minimum support for the Bitcoin. If I also remove, okay, so wait a second, if I just mark it out, so these are the levels. Okay, these are the next immediate levels. Okay, so don't think that if the Bitcoin just break down from this here, it will be just end for the Bitcoin. Okay, there will be many more support available here, but for now in these areas, the so if Bitcoin break down from these three key levels, the next immediate support will be here in like $74,000 area. So be careful about it, guys. All the Bitcoin pump from here, it is really good for the Bitcoins. But if it did break down from this candle, okay, definitely I'm gonna expect like 12% more downwards movement. But when I will gonna expect this kind of movement, when the Bitcoin will break down this third most important key levels that is available in the like $84,000 area. Okay, so and Bitcoin is not just going in one go, so we don't need to worry about that one. Okay, so because of course it is an already $1 trillion market cap asset, crypto asset out there. Okay, so it will not just show us some random movements out of the blue. Okay, out of the blue. So I hope you got my point of view here. Okay, guys, if you have got it, then it is great. And of course, if you have any questions, guys, about my analysis on the Bitcoin, do let me know. And because of the Christmas holiday session, there was also a time for the people to book some profit in the market. That's why it's I can consider this three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 days are the candles where people did book their profit in the Bitcoin. Okay, and again market is showing a strong movement out there, but for me to get bullish in the Bitcoin again, it needs to close above this trend line, this support trend line, guys. Okay, this is the support trend line that I am expecting from the Bitcoin to hold above. If the price wants to continue its bullish continuation and wants to make new all-time high again. Okay, so before Bitcoin closing in above this support trend line, I'm not gonna change my bias in the HTF. That means the high time frame. Okay, higher time frame. I means in the higher time frame, I'm gonna be somewhat bearish if it couldn't close above this support trend line out there. Okay, and thank you every one of you for joining out and doing some lovely comments out there. Okay, that's so nice of you, and thank you, brother Aziz 786, for your lovely comments. Okay. So in my over a higher time frame bias, okay, Bitcoin, of course, I am gonna remain a somewhat bearish until it close above this trend line. Okay, if Bitcoin's price did close above this trend line, I'm gonna definitely change my bias into bullish one again. Okay, so before not, I'm just gonna be somewhat bearish in the Bitcoin in the higher time frame, but the lower time frame I can definitely catch some lovely scalps out there if market gives us an opportunity to do some lovely scalps. Okay, oh, I totally forgot to drop out some red packets for the audiences who are joining in the stream session. Extremely sorry, I'll just deploy the red packets again. Okay, guys, okay, nice. Wait a second, I'll just deploy the red packets for my audiences who are joining in. And I really appreciate you guys, okay, for joining in the stream session. Okay, nice. I have just deployed it and it is good to go. Okay, okay, welcome, dear, welcome. So basically that's the thing, guys, I like to say to you. In the BTC USDT chart, okay, in the daily time frame, it's totally looking great because it is holding out the first key level of support that I have been expecting from it, okay, and it is great. Okay, because when the price hold out a support area, it is feel really great because um you just expect this level to hold out, and price did hold out it, okay, and you just, if you have opened position in the longer direction, you just made some profit out there. Okay, yesterday also we did a quick scalp out there and made like 3% of the profit in the BTC USDT chart. Okay, okay, nice. So basically, if I say my current bias in the Bitcoin will be somewhat bearish until it close above this trend line. Okay, if it close above this trend line, I'm gonna definitely change my bias into a bullish one. Okay, although overall in the lower time frame, Bitcoin is looking bullish. Okay, but still the daily candle needs to close above the minimum of this level, like $100,000. Okay, so let the Bitcoin close above the $100,000 area. We're gonna see some new all-time high in that time, in this time. Okay, so I hope you also get a nice idea about it. If you have got it, then let me know in the comment section, and of course do let me know if you have any suggestion for the live stream session out there, guys. So current trend for the Bitcoin will be the same. Okay, although because of the Christmas session, I did see some profit booking out there. Okay, okay, brother Aziz, just join my fan group. Okay, just join in. You can find it in my profile section, brother Aziz. You can find it in my profile section. Just click join. I'll just approve it, and you will be there in my fan group out there. Okay, brother Aziz, nice. So, guys, because of the Christmas profit booking session, because of holiday, it's very normal to we can see some profit booking out there, and yes, it already happened. Bitcoin, we just see some profit booking out there. Okay, there is no long term bearishness in the Bitcoin chart out there, in my opinion. So that is the thing, guys. I like to tell you all about the Bitcoin's current trend and of course all the things. Okay. So I hope you got a nice and lovely idea about it. So guys, did you get it? If you have get it, then it is great. Okay. And in the Christmas, I mean the holiday profit taking, it happens sometimes. Many investors take profits before the new year, leading to this sell pressure. That is the main thing, and it already happened in these three six candles. You can see the profit booking already happened out there. Okay. Okay, nice. And of course, for the short term, if I say so, low volatility over Christmas suggests that might be an ideal time for accumulation. Okay, so I hope you have accumulated Bitcoin in these levels, this first key level area. So if I just write it out, this is the first key level. Okay, first, okay, key support. I'll just copy it out. Okay, till the first key support level, and this will be the second key support level. Okay, I'll just write it out so that you can get a clear view of it. Second, key support level in the Bitcoin will be this area, and this will be the third and major, okay, major key support level. So if these three levels of support be broken by the Bitcoin, the immediate zone will be in here, $74,000 area. Okay, so if price break down from this area, then we can see some sharp selling out of the Bitcoin's chart. So I hope you got my point of view here. If you have get it, do let me know in the comment section so that I can know about it. So guys, did you get it? Get my point of view? These are the key levels of support I have been expecting in the BTC USD chart to hold out by the price action. Okay. Okay, nice. So I hope you got a nice view of it. So in the long term, okay, if you ask me about a long term expectation from the Bitcoin's price, I can expect a potential rebound in the Q1 of the 2025 as liquidity re-enters the market as the holiday will be ended by the time. Okay. Okay. So guys, that's basically the profit booking in the holiday session, and after that, Bitcoin is again trying to rebound from here, and it is good. Okay, so currently Bitcoin is looking good. Okay, so let's see if, so of course if my bias will remain the same, let the price close above $100 area, super bullish in the Bitcoin again. If not, I'm just gonna be slightly, somewhat bearish in the Bitcoin. Okay, not overly bearish, but slightly bearish. Okay, nice. And thank you for joining out the live stream session, every one of you. Let me just write it to you. Wow, many new users have been joining out. That's really awesome. So sad to hear that, brother Aziz. Okay, if there are any good opportunity out there, of course, I'm gonna let you know. No problem. And okay, we're gonna talk about it, brother Aziz, in my next live stream session. Okay. And Emily, what's up, Emily? Thank you for joining out, and thank you for sending out the lovely greetings out there. Okay, nice. So that's basically the thing I like to tell you about in the Bitcoin's current price action. Okay. So for me to get bullish, let the price again enter in this $100,000 mark. I mean, cross above this level, then we're gonna be bullish. If not, not gonna be overly super bullish. Okay, just be gonna be somewhat bullish out there. So that will be my update on the Bitcoin's price action, and of course the levels that I have been expecting in it. Okay. Okay, nice. So now I'm just gonna go to my next segment, that will be the altcoin market trends. Okay, what can we expect from the altcoin market trends in these days? Okay, so first of all, let me just go to the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay, so let me just go to the trading view interface, and I'm just gonna go to the Bitcoin dominance chart out there, okay, so that I can give you a clear view of it. Okay, nice. And thank you all the lovely guys out there who are supporting me and by joining out and commenting out here in the live stream session. Okay, nice. And of course, if you have any questions, of course, and suggestion, do drop out in the live stream session. Of course, I'm gonna check it out. So if I just remove, okay, if I just remove this drawing, okay. Okay, so this was the previously drawn chart, no problem. So wait a second, if I just also extend this one. Wait a second. I think I draw this chart in the BTC dominance in the weekly time frame. If I just extend it, okay, nice, nice. So that is the BTC dominance chart in the weekly time frame. Okay, guys, I have already post about it in my Gate profile section. You can check it out. Okay, thank you. Thank you for everyone who are joining out and do some lovely comments in the chat box. That's really awesome of you guys for joining out in the stream session. Okay, so lovely of you guys, and thank you everyone for joining. And of course, if you can't hear my voice anytime, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll check it out. Okay, nice. So now we're gonna talk about the current altcoin market out there. Okay. So first of all, if I just check it out, that the overview on the altcoin corrections, okay, because of the sudden rise of the Bitcoin dominance in the overall chart of the weekly time frame, you can see it was a clear upward facing descending ascending parallel channel in the BTC dominance chart. That shows how funds are flowing in the BTC's market cap. Okay, and because of the increasing amount of Bitcoin dominance, the overall major and good altcoins couldn't show us the expected movement that we are previously expecting from it. Okay, but of course we can't be disheartened for about this one, because Bitcoin dominance will definitely decrease after taking some slight correction. Okay. Okay, so when the Bitcoin dominance decrease, then it will be the chance for altcoin to rise again. Okay, if I also just show it to you the Ethereum's chart, wait a second, let me. This is the Ethereum's chart out there, guys. Okay, if I just also show, no problem. So because of the dominance, the altcoin did suffer a lot. Okay, guys, I'm so sad to hear you. Okay, sir, sorry about that one.
and GM to you. Nice, thank you everyone and for your showing out in the stream session, and do vote for me. Okay, do vote for me in the live stream.
And I will be really grateful about you just do draw vote me. And of course, there will be gifts for you guys. Okay, no problem. There will be definite gifts for you. Just and after that, there will be definite gifts. Okay. And if I win in the Get Live Arena event, there will be like $10 for all the lovely audiences who are watching the live stream. So I hope you will do support me by joining out there. Okay, guys. Okay, nice. So this is the current overview on the BTC dominance chart. Okay, and it did try to make a low structure here. If it did, then it will be good to go for the altcoin. Okay, so altcoins have collected corrected by 15%. Okay, major sectors like DeFi and meme coins are taking a hit. Okay, because of the Bitcoin dominance, increasing amount of Bitcoin dominance chart. So if I just also go to the like wait a second. Hmm. So if I just check out the all the coins in this section, okay, if I go to the prices here, you can see the most of the all the things, all the top performance coin and all the sectors coin are available. Look at DeFi coins, the meme coin, okay, RWA, okay. So these are the DeFi project that is listed in our exchange gate.io. So let's check it out. So the DeFi projects and all the altcoins, the major meme coins. So DeFi projects like Uni, Aave, Ohm, Dai, Maker, Carb, RSR, Comp, SNX, Kava, ZRX. These are the DeFi project, and meme coins like Sheep, Dodge, and LTC Pepe, Pengu, Bonk, Weave, Fartcoin, Pepe. Okay, these are the meme coins out there. Okay, it did also suffer like crazy because of the sudden surge of the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, this Bitcoin dominance did do us in the altcoin sector. It did show us some significant decreased in the altcoin sector, like major DeFi's. Okay, major coins like the DeFi sector and also the meme coin sector. And the Bitcoin dominance showing us a decreasing chart out there in the price action. Of course, we're gonna definitely expect the altcoin to rise again. Okay, so did you get my point, guys? Okay, nice, nice, great. So I really hope that nice and lovely of you guys for joining in the stream session. Awesome. So just wait for the Bitcoin dominance to decrease so that the alt rally can begin again. Okay, many of the guys have been asking me that if the alt season is begin already or not. Alt season will begin when the Bitcoin dominance will just directly fall from here 58% zone to minimum of 46% area. Okay, so if I just mark it out, this can be the zone. Okay, so if I mark it out here, me wait a sec. So these are this is the zone I am expecting from the Bitcoin dominance to revisit. Okay, when the Bitcoin dominance revisit this area, you can expect that there will be a huge rally of the altcoin. Okay, I got here, but everyone is saying Christmas rally will begin. Yeah, yes, it can, brother. Manan, brother, I got your point. Okay, no problem. We're going to discuss about it. Okay, okay. So basically, for the altcoins, I'm gonna remain bullish because the dominance is still increasing. Okay, not showing a very good sign of a decreasing amount out there. So that's why it's showing us some major corrections in the altcoins. Okay, okay, nice. And despite the corrections in the DeFi tokens are expected to regain momentum, uh, with increasing TVL in this new year. Okay, I'm gonna definitely expect this one. And of course, for the meme coins, if I say so, these are the highly speculative. So approach with caution and during the volatility times. Okay, volatile times. That will be the my opinion on the meme coins. And of course, correction often presents us with buying opportunities, guys. So look for the projects with strong fundamentals, and so that you can accumulate some and get some lovely profit out of it. So I hope you guys get a lovely idea about it. So now I'm gonna just jump into my next segment that will be also the VC backed coins. Okay. Okay. Okay, can you tell me some good altcoins that are at the bottom? Okay, so that's a very lovely question out there. But for the time being, there are not many altcoins, very strong altcoins. My previous days of live stream, those are in the bottom. But currently, they are in just in between. Okay, just around up from the absolute bottom and just in the middle point. Okay, just consolidating. It can pump anytime, many coins. And you told, okay, you told to see us tomorrow. Sorry, I didn't get it. Comment again, Manan brother. I didn't get it. If you can let me know again so that I can understand about it. Okay, nice. So, BC backed coins. What are the BC backed coins, guys? Let me just show it to you so that you can also know about it. Okay, guys. Okay, nice. And I appreciate your support by joining out in the today's live stream session, guys. Really appreciate your support out there. Okay, and take love from me that you join out in my live stream session and doing so many lovely comments, guys. Thank you for being here. So VC backed coins such as the usual move and scr remain resilient, showing encounter cyclical growth. Okay, so first of all, we're going to check out the coin named the usual. Okay, so basically, the main highlight for this coin, highlight for the resilient coins are like tokens like usual, move, and SCR. If I also just show it to you, the usual. Okay, let me just find it out. If I go like usual, USU. Okay, so this is the usual USDT. This is also the BC backed coins out there. Okay, nice. Sorry, the scale. I'm waiting for the 31 December because I know you are given a gift to me. Nice, brother. Aziz 76, that's the nice. Okay. Scale usability. Okay, let's check it out in a glance about the scale usability. Okay. Although I have already showed you an analysis about the scale. Let's just check it out one a bit. Okay, brother Manan, I'm gonna check it out after I have done completing all this segment. Okay, this is the third segment in my live stream session. So there are like two segments left. After that, I'm gonna check out the scale usability for you. No problem. Just stay here with us. So first coin that I like to check it is the usual USDT. Okay, this is also the VC backed coins out there. Okay, nice. Thanks for the patience out there, brother Manan. Really appreciate your support. Okay, and got your point of view, brother Aziz. No problem. Lovely of you guys. I hope you will do vote for me, every one of you. Okay, nice. You I appreciate my works out there. That is the thing. So these are the coins, okay, usual move and SCR backed by the strong venture capital. Those coins are insulated from border market trends, okay. So innovative use cases and steady development and contribute to their stability. That is the main case, okay. And as you can see in this volatile time, the usual showed us a significant amount of growth in this daily time frame chart. Can you see it, guys? I hope you can see it out. And in the move USDT, I have also taken a trade in my one of my live stream session, and it did move like 74% from my entry point. Okay, we did make some huge profit out of that coin. If you have taken the entry with me in the stream session out there. Okay, nice. So I'll just deploy another red packet for the lovely audiences who are joining in. Okay, and I hope you guys also do support me by like, comment, and sharing the stream. Okay, and of course do follow the live stream, guys. I'll be really grateful about it. So in the usual USDT, as you can see, previously it was the listing price of the usual is like, let me just check it out. The opening price, what was low price, 0.3101. Okay, okay. So let me just okay. So this was the opening price. I mean the listing price of the usual USDT, as you can see here. After that, it shows us some movement, and then it shows us a deep correction. Okay, and after a correction, it again started to rise. So you can see the strong. I mean the fundamental strong coins like this. Nice. That's really awesome, brother Aziz 78. So much, really awesome, and thank you. Long time no see, brother Crypto Luck.
How are you doing? Of course, you can let me know in the chat box. So basically, this is the usual utility. It just take a heavy correction, and after that, it again started its rally. Okay, so this was first of all, this was the resistance area, and now this area is acting as a strong support. So you can see this a typical bullish continuation trend out there in the usual utility. Usual utility just did the same that I all have been expecting. Okay, so basically, holders are the real winner of the time. Not all the time, just my personal opinion. So, usual USDT, it did show us a very lovely growth out of its deep correction. So, if I just mark it from this high of this candle, let's see how much percentage of move did it make after it did from here. Okay, wow, that's like 172.77 percentage of growth. Can you imagine, guys? Okay, that's not like many days. Okay, not many days that it did pump like this. So that's the power of holder of a altcoin that are fundamentally strong altcoins, and those coin are these coin are also backed by the VC. Okay, venture capital strong, so fundamentally very strong. Okay, these are the things. Okay, so I hope you get a lovely idea about it. That's the thing. So usual utility is just moving like very good in my point of view. Yeah, and it's trying to hold out the bullish continuation it is trying to do here. So I think if it make, I mean, if the price of the usual utility did close above this high, then I can expect there will be new all-time high in the usual USDT. And of course, guys, this is very beginning of the bull run session. Hope you are well prepared for it with your holdings in the spot backs or in the futures market, okay, out there. So of course, you can we're going to talk about another coin that I also like, one of my favorite coin, after I have introduced you about in this usual move NSCR tokens out there. Okay, so it did move like crazy out there, usual utility. Okay, so first of all, this was the heavy resistance zone, and after that it just flipped out this as an R level and again pump from here. And also it previously also got rejected from here, but again you can see the strong buyers out there. Okay, they just moved the price to the next high. Okay, and still it is in a very bullish trend, although it is kind of in a sideways now in the daily time frame, but let's wait for it. Okay, okay, brother Aziz, if you want to vote for me, please go to my profile. Okay, go to file and check the pinned post, write it to you. If you just go to my profile section, and you can find that I have pinned the post about the Gate Live Arena event voting session for me. Okay, okay, nice and lovely of you guys for being here with me. Okay, so this is the update for the usual utility. So I am gonna expect the same kind of movement if it break out from here, same upward movement. Okay, but of course, if I will not be surprised if it take a correction towards this area or this area. Okay, so we can hope for the both case scenario for this one. So before, for me to continue this I mean bullish continuation thing in the um usually it needs to break above the $1.655 area. Did you get my point, guys? Nice. But if it comes towards this zone, I will also not be surprised. Okay, because it is very normal to price to take a correction in here. Okay, boom. So basically overall target will be the same, bullish. Okay, nice. So now gonna check out the movement utility. Okay, one of my favorite coin, move, just made me like 70% profit out there. Let me just show it to you. Movement utility, we did catch this price in these areas, and it did like the pump like crazy, guys. Okay, this is also a BC backed coin. So nice. Hey Hidayat 99, what's up, brother? Long time no. How are you doing? Do let us know in the chat box so that about it. Okay, nice. So this is the movement utility chart, the daily time frame. Same, okay, same movement, and you can see it out here. So this coin was analyzed by me in my live stream session in my previous days when the price was in this areas. Okay, I have analyzed this chart and was expecting minimum of this high to be taken out. It did take the highs. Okay, also some unexpectedly fast movement from the move USDT. Okay, and I hope you have also taken this trade with me when I have taken this one in my live stream session. Okay, so that's why I like to tell every one of you to watch the live stream every day to get some signals like this one. Okay, nice. And of course, before investing and start trading, your own research about it, because trading and investing is always risk. Okay, brother Hidayat 99 got it. If there are any opportunity, I'll let you know. Okay, so previously I have taken the trade in here because it was also the fib retrace out there. Okay, and yeah, it did perform out very well for me. Okay, so I hope you have also made some lovely profit. This was a good consolidation, and after that, it did was a quick recovery in the price. Okay, that was the main thing I like to share it with. So I'll just deploy another set of red packet for my lovely audience are watching. So are there any opportunity to cover some loss today? Oh, okay, okay, brother Manan, we're gonna talk about it. Let me just complete segment live stream session. Okay, I'm in the third segment. We're very close to it. So movement utility is also a coin by a backed up. I mean, backed coins. One of I have talked about it. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna say kind of movement from the BC. I mean, movement utility again. If it break out from this previous high, definitely, okay, definitely it will go more high. Okay. So from here till zone, this is the kind of movement. Okay, so I'm just gonna expect this kind of movement if the price break out from its all-time high. But I am not also not gonna be surprised if the price also revisit these levels. Okay, so these are the levels. Okay, why? Okay, let me just turn it off. These are the levels. Okay, buyers zone. So yeah, price can take out these lows, and of course there is also liquidity available in this area. So yep, of course it can also touch out these zones. Okay, so if you want to reaccumulate move, this is the zone for reaccumulation. Okay, if it comes, then you should you can consider buying it. Okay, nice, nice, that's so nice, brother Aziz, of you. And I got it, brother Manan. We'll try my best if I find any a good opportunity. Okay, you everyone on team. Now I'm gonna check the other things. The other coin that is named SCR. Okay, and you can see this is also moving like in a very parabolic movement, and of course you can see this is a very slight cyclical growth in this price. So now let's check out the other coin that is named SCR. There it is. Before the two coins, it was also looking really awesome, guys. Okay, so now let's check it out the SCR. Okay, okay, thank you, brother Hidayat, for your lovely support out there, and I hope every one of you who are watching the stream, I hope you the live stream session so that I can forward on it. So SCR is also a BC backed coins, guys. You can definitely check it out. Okay, it is also show us a cyclical parabolic movement out there. If I just mark it out here, so also if you check it out, that it is also a double bottom pattern. Okay, let me just show it to you. So this is also a double bottom pattern, not a double bottom. Okay, we can consider it a triple bottom. Okay, my drawing was not that good, so I'll just draw again. So okay, so kind of, okay, kind of triple bottom formation. Okay, so we got like 3 times of confirmation to enter in this chart. If you have entered in this chart, you have already made lovely profit out of it. Okay, because you can see it, you can see the bullishness of this candle out there. Okay, so wait a second, if I just mark it out from here, and of course this is the movement already have been done. So let's see how it goes on. Okay, this is also a very good coin to look out for. Okay, VC backed coins are the overall the strong projects, guys. So you can check it out, do check it out. And of course, before investing and trading, please do your own research about it, because it is very risky, and I am not in financial advisor for you guys. Nice, thank you for the appreciation. So this is also the zone to be expected out. Okay, let me just show it to you. Yeah, so currently SCR is also looking good. So if it close above this zone, we can again expect some movement. Okay, if it close again this zone, definitely gonna expect this kind of movement. Okay, but if it break down this trend line, the next immediate support will be this zone. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the SCR to move like this. So of course, it's not like that we're gonna just expect the upwards movement. We can also expect downwards movement from here also. If it break down from here, the next movement will be here. Okay, this is the kind of movement I can also know about. Don't forget me, you know I am your voice lover. Lovely 786. Okay. And done vote. Thank you, brother Hidayat 99. Really appreciate. Okay. And appreciate and thank you everyone for supporting me in the gate line. So you have the chance to accumulate SCR, move, and usual coins if they comes to the entry zone that I have been mentioned there. Okay, guys. Okay, and how you can leverage this trend of this BC backed coins. Okay, if you want to, okay, first of all, you need to consider diversifying your portfolio with VC backed coins for a better risk management. Okay, that will be my opinion for you guys out there who are watching the live stream session. So I hope you got a lovely idea about it. So now I am gonna just jump into my next segment. That will be the fourth segment of the today's live stream session, and of course it is the spotlight on fuel Ethereum L2. Okay, fuel is gearing up for its TGE, positioning itself as a heavyweight Ethereum L2. And L2 means layer 2, guys. I hope you all know about it very clearly. So if I check it out, wait a second. Okay, so fuel, okay, fuel is an emerging Ethereum layer 2 coins. Okay, so I hope you all know about it. Let me just check it out if it is here or not. Fuel, okay, fuel. Okay, wait a second. Where is the fuel USDT? If it isn't available here, wait a second. Let me just check it out. Oh, I think it is gearing up for its TGE. That's the thing. I got it. I got it. Okay, now I got the hang of it. So fuel is an emerging Ethereum layer 2 coin. Okay, guys, and it is based on the layer 2 Ethereum layer 2. Of course, I have told you about. Fuel is an emerging Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution gearing up for its TGE token generation event. And why it is fuel is significant? Let me just tell you. With Ethereum's scalability, okay, with Ethereum's scalability challenges, fuel innovative approach positions it as a strong contender in the L2 space. Okay, so of course you can consider looking for the fuel USDT. Okay, it's just gearing up for its next TGE token generation event, so you can definitely look it out for. Okay, for in the L2, I mean layer 2 space. And for another thing, and stay informed, I like to tell you about, stay informed about its TGE timeline. For early participation could yield significant returns. That is the thing I like to share it with you about the fuel USDT. Okay, so you can definitely watch it out for. Okay, nice and lovely of you guys. Wow, thank really appreciate every one of your support. Okay, so yes, I was so I'll just I hope you got a lovely idea about it, the fuel USDT. Okay, if you have got it, then it is great. Okay, Nice. So now I'm gonna just proceed with my next segment. That will be the very last segment of this today's live stream session. Also, that is named about the, of course, market sentiment of this the very end of this year, and of course in the very beginning of the 2025 outlook. Okay. Basically, we're going to discuss about the market sentiment, suggest low volatility over Christmas with a rebound expected in the new year. That is the main thing we're going to talk about in our segment 5 of the today's in this live stream session. Okay, guys. So, did you get my point of view here? If you have get my point of view here, of course you can let me know in the comment section. Okay. Okay. And of course, if you have any questions, guys, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer it out for you. And of course, for the usual move and SCR coins, okay, these are the BC backed project. So I also like you to check it out, okay, and get some lovely information out of it. Okay, okay, lovely. So lovely of you guys. And if I also search about fuel TGE, wait a second. If I search it in the fuel TGE, okay, event, let me see if I can find anything out. Okay, okay. No problem, no problem. We just got the best of it. I have already told you about. Okay. So guys, did you get my point of view there? If you have get it, then it is great. But if you haven't get it, then you can also let me know. Okay. So you can just let me know about it. Okay. I'll just check out one thing in the announcement segment. Oh, wait a second out there. Okay, lovely. Great. Let's see if it is anything available here. FUEL. Let's search it out. Okay, okay. So there are some information about the fuel out there. Okay, we can definitely check it out if you want, guys. Okay, no problem. Third party fuel. Okay, rebranding the ether party and the resume trading. Fuel have been, I think, changed its name to the ether party. Okay, and resume the trading again in the Gate.io. Okay, I also didn't know about it, so now I know about it. That's great. So that is the rebranding. Okay, guys, it had already fuel USDT. Yeah, fuel already rebranded to the ether party, and get I also support it. That is really great. That's some lovely information for all of you guys who are in here in this segment. Okay, okay. And of course, I hope you also know about the significance of the layer 2. Okay, layer 2 are very important for the market also. If I just check it out, if there is any layer 2 segment here, let me just show it to you. So basically layer 2 solves all the problems of the layer 1s, and also a very good scalability solution for the layer 1s out there, guys. Okay, so did you get it? Okay, so these are the heat map of the coins are available here. So you can definitely check it out, guys. To check it out. So let me just see if it is available here. Okay, so there it is, layer 2. I just like to check it out, the layer 2. Okay, because layer 2 are also very important. Okay, very important thing in the I mean the solving the problems of layer 1s. Okay, so I hope you got a very lovely idea about it. Okay, guys. So basically, if you ask me about the layer 2, of course, I am very hyped up about layer 2. Okay, wait a second, let me just check one thing. Okay. So basically, guys, I have told you that layer 2 works on the scalability problems of the layer 1s and all the available problems that are available for the layer 1. Okay, and solved the necessary problem that is very much needed for the project. Okay, so I hope you got a lovely idea about it. So did you get my idea on this one, guys? If you have get it, then it is great. But if you haven't understand anything, you can just let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'm waiting for your lovely comments out there about it. Okay, Okay, and of course, Fuel is also a modular execution layer for Ethereum and other blockchain system designed to enhance scalability and reduce transaction cost while maintaining decentralization. It is often referred to okay, it is often referred to layer 2 solutions because it operates on top of Ethereum's main chain layer 1, leveraging its security and decentralization. Hello, brother Om. What's up, buddy? Does Christmas affecting trading volumes? I think it is good now. Okay. I think it is really good. Uh, I think it is good now. I think it is good now. So, how are you doing, brother Om? Do let us know. And how do you like the today's live stream session? Of course, you can let us know in the chat box. Definitely gonna check it out. So the key features for the Fuel L2 will be the modular design, high throughput, optimistic rollup technology. Number four will be parallel transaction execution and developer friendly environment. Okay, lower cost and the main thing interoperability. Okay, guys. So did you get a lovely idea about it? If you have got a nice and lovely idea about the layer 2 and of course the Fuel TGE event, I hope you also know about it. Okay, and if you ask me how the fuel works, first of all, the batching transactions are grouped and processed off chain, and of course, the data commitment, the transactions data is submitted to Ethereum layer 1 for security and immutability, and that is the thing, guys. Okay, and fuel is particularly attractive projects, okay, requiring high throughput and low cost, such as DeFi applications, gaming and platforms, NFT, marketplace. That is the thing, okay. So I hope you got a lovely idea about the fuel you will. I mean, fuel coin that is just gearing up for its TGE, positioning itself as the heavyweight Ethereum L2. Okay, guys, you get my point? Okay. And fuel's technical features that I like is the execution layer, the data availability layer, and the consensus layer. Okay, and what are the advantages of these layers? Separating these layers makes fuel more flexible and efficient for specific use cases compared to the monolithic L2s out there. Did you get my point, guys, about the fuel USDT? If you have get it, then it is great. But if you haven't got it, you can just let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'm just waiting for your lovely comment out there. And of course, there are many reasons why the fuel is very looking strong in the L2 sector in the Ethereum chain and blockchain out there. Okay, you can do ask me about it, no problem. And if I say so, Optimism and Arbitrum rely on the sequential processing while efficient for general applications. Okay, Optimism and Arbitrum are strong L2s. Okay, and they may struggle under the extreme loads where Fuel excels. That is the thing where Fuel comes and provide us with a great solution. And if you check it out the optimistic rollup designs, okay, Fuel uses the optimistic rollups where transactions are assumed and valid and less challenged by fraud proofs. That is the thing, guys, about the fuel. I hope you got it. So basically, similar to Arbitrum and Optimism, which also optimistic rollups. However, fuel's modularity and parallelism provide additional performance boost out there. So did you get it, guys? If you have get it, let me know in the comment section, guys. Okay. So lovely of you guys for joining out in the stream session. Thank you. And of course, Ethereum based L2s like Optimism and Arbitrum rely on Solidity, which is widely adopted but less performant and error prone. And as Sway offers a better tooling and reduced risk of vulnerabilities in the fuel used. Okay. Okay. And of course, what is Sway? Sway language and tooling. Okay, Sway is the Rust-based smart contract language designed for fuel, emphasizing safety, simplicity, and performance. Guys, I hope you also know about it. Okay. Okay, nice. And of course, the efficiency and cost. If I compare, Fuel offers a lower cost compared to the Optimism and Arbitrum because of its streamlined execution model, and it can be a very strong contender in the layer 2 sector in deployed that are deployed in the Ethereum chain. Okay, and zk rollups can also achieve low cost but require more complex proof generation process. That is also a good thing. So I hope you get a nice and lovely idea about it, and if you have got a good idea about it, do let us know in the comment section. Okay, so basically why I have been making the fuel as a very strong contender in the L2 sector of the Ethereum, because I have already told you guys, because there are like many advantages. First of all, the modular design, parallel execution, custom VM and language, and the future proofing. And of course, that is the thing. Okay, that is the thing why I am considering that it can be a very strong contender in the layer 2 sector. Of course, in the Ethereum's chain, Ethereum blockchain. So guys, did you get my point? If you have get my point, do let me know in the chat box so that I can also know about it and continue the live stream session. Okay. Okay. So basically, guys, Fuel is a groundbreaking layer 2 solution with modular and high performance design that offers significant improvements over traditional L2s. While it excels in scalability and efficiency, its success will depend on developer adoption and its ability to compete with ZK rollup based solution as they mature. Okay, that's why I am considering and I am still telling you that it is a strong contender in the L2 field out there for all of you guys who are in the stream session, so that you can also know about it. Okay. Okay, that's so nice and lovely of you guys that you got it by very simple means, or by that I have just explaining it with you with some simple words. Okay, so as you can see, this is also the Ethereum's chart, and it is also looking really good. And Ethereum is also looking good to accumulate now, because it is also bouncing from here. This is also a very good zone. If I also mark it out, okay, wait a second. Okay, so this is also considered, can be considered a good zone. So if Ethereum bounce from here, minimum target, okay, minimum target will be this high. Okay, let's see. Although Ethereum just got rejected from here in this area, if I just mark it out, okay, this is the rejection zone for the Ethereum also. So let's see how it works out. Okay, it can also be an interesting thing if it flips out this resistance zone. Okay, then the Ethereum go to the above 5000. It's just a matter of time if it flips out this resistance zone. Okay. Okay, nice. So now I'm gonna proceed with my very last segment of the today's live stream session. That will be, of course, the market sentiment outlook. Okay, in this very last part of this year, and of course the very starting of the Q1 in the 2025. Okay, I'll just share my quick outlook on this one. So I hope you will stay with me in the stream session. Let's see if there are any comments out there. If it is, then I'm gonna just reply to you. If not, I'll just gonna continue. Okay, and thank you, get user 2C or 3CB55 for your lovely comment out there. Let's see what you say. What coins are trending? Okay, GT coins is the main trending coin. GT token. Okay, check out the GT token. Very strong, looking very strong in my point of view. So I am just on the very last part of the segment 5. I mean, just starting it. Sorry about that one. So if you ask me about the current sentiment of the market, first of all, I'll just show it to you. The dominance chart. Okay, if I just show it to you, the dominance chart is retesting out there. So if it completes the retest, then it is good for I mean the overall altcoins. Okay, if it fall below this parallel channel formation out there, then I'm gonna definitely expect a downward movement from it. Okay, I'm just gonna expect a downward movement from this. Okay, in the weekly time frame. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, guys, because it had already broken down from this parallel channel and it is currently retesting. So if the price couldn't close above this high, then it will be considered as a bearish retest. So if I just mark it out, I mean 61% area, if the price couldn't close above this area, then it will be considered as a bearish retest, and it's a very good thing for the overall market condition. I mean the altcoin market. Okay. Okay, nice. So the market appears subdued with low volatility expected over Christmas. Many of you guys have been saying this one, but yes, I think market is again trying to rebound. Okay, so that is the thing. Very, and of course we are at the very last part of this year. Okay, so if I just tell it to you guys, wait a second, where it is. Let me just refresh this chart so that I can also get on it. Okay, so I'll go in the BTC USD chart again. So give you the very last update on this one. So I'll just go to the daily time frame. So I have already told you about. These are the key levels. The very first part I have told you about, and also, if you ask me the market sentiment, okay, I'm gonna be staying somewhat
bearish in this BTC time, BTC. And of course, if you ask me market sentiment, of course, it is all about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the coins out there. Okay. So by looking at the Bitcoin, we can get many idea about the overall market trend out there. Okay. In my opinion, that's the thing. So yeah, if price hold out these key levels, I'm gonna expect bullish movement. If not, then I'm gonna expect a quick bearish movement from the Bitcoin out there. So guys, did you get my point about it? If you have get it, then it is great. But if you haven't get it, you can just let me know in the comment section so that I can also let you know about it. Okay. And if you ask me about the 2025, okay, what we can expect, of course, many analysts have anticipate a strong rebound fueled by macroeconomic stabilization and renewed investor interest out there. Okay, and of course, there is some tips for you guys focusing on the mainstream assets for stability and explore high growth altcoins for upside potential. It will be my tip for you guys, my opinion about um this very last part. Okay, so because the volatility is I think it is decreased many times in compared to the like previous 3 4 days ago. It is looking really great in my point of view. So now is the time, if you want to accumulate, that is the chance for you. Some So that's the thing, guys. I like to tell you, all of you guys. So I hope you get a lovely point out of this today's live stream session. Okay, although this is divided in like 5 segments, I hope you got a lovely information out of all the segments that I have been discussing about here. Okay, and of course, I am expecting. Okay, I am expecting a rebound in the very last part of this year, and of course the Q1 of the 2020 2025. Okay, so let's see how the Bitcoin and overall market will rebound in this new year, and of course the very last part of the Christmas. Okay, it will also be very important for all of us. So now just going to wrap it up for today. So if I just give you a recap about the overall episode and this live stream session, if I just tell you within a very quick manner out there. So we have already analyzed the Bitcoin, altcoin, and BC backed coins, fuel, and all the market sentiment out there today, and of course the main stream coins out there. And of course, as the part of the Gateio's special end of the year live micro analysis session, okay, I encourage you to explore the trends and make informed decision about any of the trades and investing that you have been doing out there. Okay, that is the thing I like to share it with you guys out there. Okay, so I hope you will join out in all the Christmas event of our Gate.io, and of course get some nice and generous lovely profits out of it. Okay, and I hope you will also join in my live stream session every day that I have been doing here with all of you guys who are attending it. Okay, guys, so really appreciate your support, by the way, guys. Thank you for being here. Okay, so guys, follow my Gate Live profile and subscribe to my channel out there, and of course really appreciate if you just do like, comment, and share, and do vote for me in the Gate Live arena event. And if you have any comments for me, I mean any questions out there, you can do let me know in the comment section. Ada. Okay, let's see. Okay, sir, can you please check portal usability? Okay, brother. Okay, brother, got it. I'll do check it out the portal usability because you have been asking me to check it out, so give me a moment of time. So, guys, I have already completed all the necessary segment for the today's live stream session. So, I'm gonna just take out some questions from the comment section, and after that, I'm gonna wrap it up for the this live stream session. So, one of our brother Manan have been asking me to check it out the scale utility as first. For I'm gonna check out the scale. After that, I'm gonna check out the portal utility. Okay, and also our Gate coin GT token. Okay, Gate IO milestones propel Gate token to a new all-time high in December. So you also need to keep that in mind. GT token just make new all-time high. Let me just show it to you in this one. After that, gonna check it out the scale and the other coins. So guys, GT token is making history, guys. GT token is making history. I hope you are a part of the GT coin, a holder of a proud holder of the GT coin, and GT just hit. Wow, crazy, guys. That's crazy movements, guys. $16.274, guys. Boom. GT is already on the moon, guys. I hope our already in a huge profit. Those guys who are the GT holder of the coins, GT holder, they are huge congratulations to all of you guys who are holding the GT coins out there. Okay, you have already made huge profit. I hope you will continue to hold the GT coin, and there are infinite potential in the GT coin, in my opinion, in this upcoming bull run. Okay, bull run hasn't even fully started yet, and GT coin is showing significant strong movement out there, guys. That's the thing I like about the GT coin. Yes, let's go GT. Next target is like $20. Let's see how fast this target will be achieved. So now gonna check out the scale utility. After that, the portal. After that, I'm gonna wrap it up the today's live stream session because one of our brother have been asking me to check it out. So brother Manan, if you just check it out, the scale utility I have told you about, if the daily candle couldn't close above this level, $0.5416, we're not gonna open long position. Okay, so this trade is still uh, is in effect. The falling wedge is still intact. It hasn't been tapped out fully. So wait for it, brother Manan. In the scale USDT, that will be my thing, my idea on the scale USDT, because it hasn't closed above the level that I have been marking out, 0.05416. So wait for it. Wait for the breakout in the scale. Portal USDT. Let's see. The portal USDT, if I just check it out in the daily time frame, wow. Portal USDT is just again nearing its support zone, as you can see. Okay, first of all, this is the okay line of support here. This is the main support area, and also portal. Wow, I think it is again portal is again entering its accumulation zone. Okay, so that's a bit of concerning thing for me. If I just draw it out from here in this point of view, if I just okay, wait a second. This is the accumulation zone. I should okay. The portal again entered is accumulation zone, guys. So okay, so wait for it. Wait for it to break above this accumulation zone again. Okay. So if I remove this line also, so basically, brother, portal USD just entered is again its accumulation zone. So yes, you can reaccumulate portal if you want, but I'm not gonna give any financial advice about this one, when to buy or sell. I'm just gonna tell you that it is in the phase of accumulation. If you want, you can do it. And ADA, you will definitely, and no problem. So if it breaks above this accumulation zone, it is good to go. If it not, then it will take time. That is the thing about the portal USDT. So in the last, the very last but not least, the ADA USDT. Let's see, Cardano, I think. And thank you guys for your lovely comments out there. Really thank you. So ADA USDT, okay, this is the previously analyzed chart in the ADA USDT, and you can see it's just retracing from it, and this is the main line of support. Okay, this is also a very good strong support zone area for the, if I just mark it out from here till here, I'll just remove all the drawings. Okay, you can see that ADA USDT previously marked as I have been expecting. It just break out this kind of upper trend line, again pump. So three times the same thing happened. Okay, so that's why I like to say history repeat itself. You can find this example in the chart. So chart pattern are also repeat in a cycle, in a very cyclical movement out there. So now currently this is the support level. Okay, this is the support level for the ADA USDT. So if the daily candle close below this support zone, then it is the next support area will be here, brother Fox99. If you got my point, this will be the next support zone for the ADA USDT. If this support level break, then this is the next immediate support zone area. So I hope you got a lovely idea about the ADA USDT. So that is the thing. I hope you got a nice and lovely idea about all the things that I like to share it with you guys. And of course, GT coin is making history, guys. I hope you are also be a part of the GT token holder, and I hope you are also a proud holder of our Gate Exchange native token GT. Okay, and it's just making history, guys. So I hope you also be a part of it. And welcome. So guys, as I have already completed all the necessary things and I have already checked out the questions that you have been dropping out in the live stream session. That's so nice of you guys. And I'll at the very last part, I like to say to all of you guys, thank you for joining out in the today's live stream session. Don't forget to share the live stream session and stay tuned for more valuable content out there. And let's end the 2024 on a strong note. Okay. And I like to say that I also have added to my profile also, if you get it. Okay, trade, analyze, profit, and repeat. That's my motto. So I hope you liked the today's live stream session. It was a very good stream session with all of you guys who are joining out. So guys, see you soon in my next live stream session with some next and interesting setup idea. And I'm gonna just say my goodbye to you guys. See you soon in the next live stream. So guys, bye bye.